This is the story of Laura Sanchez, from Madrid. You look very ugly feet, with those disgusting yellow nails. Later on you realize that it is not just ugly nails, quite the opposite. It's something bad, very bad. You ask yourself, will they be fungi? You do not know how, but you have fungus on your toenails. This type of fungus can come from public showers, gyms or spas. It is spread through small incisions in the skin, among other things. If your feet sweat a lot, that's a problem. Having a weak immune system can make things worse. It is time to make a decision. At first you think about antifungal drugs. But surely they do not guarantee the solution, and above are expensive. So I set about researching natural remedies. I did some research and discovered several natural antifungal remedies, such as soaking in vinegar or hydrogen peroxide, applying tea tree oil or clove oil. Then I read about oregano oil, which is a natural antifungal that cures yellow nails. This seemed an easier and safer option, since tea tree oil and clove oil can become very strong. In the end I chose to use oregano oil. Essential oils should be diluted before use, but I did not find it necessary with oregano oil. I simply applied the oil once a day and let it dry a little before putting on my socks and shoes. The results were fast and very good. In the first week I started to notice the results. And already in the second week was impressive. How to make oregano oil? 1. You need a glass jar that is clean. 2. Leaves of oregano and some of these oils, olive, grape or almond seeds. 3. Crush the oregano leaves in a mortar and put them in the glass jar. 4. Cover with oil up to 2 centimeters above. Store the bottle in a cool, dry place for 3 weeks. After that time strain it and you can use it.